Welcome to Ask Prep, your trusted companion for NEET and JEE preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of biology, which is human health and disease, pathogens, immunity, diseases. Human health and disease are central topics in biology, especially for students preparing for exams like NEET and JEE. Understanding how our body defends itself against harmful agents and how diseases affect our body can help in not only academics but also in practical, real-world applications. The concept of pathogens, immunity, and diseases are all intertwined, contributing to the broader understanding of human health. Pathogens are organisms that cause disease. These include a wide range of microorganisms, such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa, each of which can infect the human body in different ways. The world is filled with millions of different pathogens, but it is important to remember that not all of them are harmful. In fact, many microorganisms are essential for maintaining a healthy body, such as the beneficial bacteria in our gut that help digest food and produce essential vitamins. However, when harmful pathogens invade the body, they can cause infections and diseases that disrupt normal bodily functions. Bacteria, one of the most well-known pathogens, are single-celled organisms that can live in a variety of environments. They can reproduce rapidly, and some types produce toxins that harm the body. For example, bacteria like Streptococcus can cause infections such as strep throat, while others, like Escherichia coli, E. coli, can cause food poisoning. Bacterial infections are often treated with antibiotics, but the increasing resistance to antibiotics by some bacteria is a growing concern in modern medicine. Viruses, another type of pathogen, are much smaller than bacteria and cannot survive or reproduce on their own. They need to invade a host cell and hijack its machinery to replicate. This makes viruses tricky to treat, as antibiotics do not work on viruses. Common viral infections include the flu, the common cold, and more severe diseases such as HIV/AIDS and COVID-19. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways to prevent viral infections by stimulating the immune system to recognize and fight specific viruses. Fungi, too, can be pathogens, though they tend to affect people with weakened immune systems. Fungal infections such as athlete's foot, ringworm, and candidiasis are common, and while they are typically treatable with antifungal medications, they can become serious if left untreated. Fungi thrive in warm, damp environments, and understanding how to prevent fungal infections involves maintaining good hygiene and health practices. Protozoa are another category of pathogens. These single-celled organisms can cause diseases such as malaria, which is transmitted by mosquitoes. Protozoan infections can be particularly dangerous in tropical regions where these diseases are more prevalent. Malaria, for example, can be life-threatening, but it is preventable and treatable with antimalarial medications. Other protozoan diseases include amoebiasis, giardiasis, and toxoplasmosis, each of which can affect different parts of the body, including the digestive system and the nervous system. When the body encounters these harmful pathogens, it activates a complex system of defense mechanisms to protect itself. This system, known as immunity, is essential for maintaining health and fighting off infections. The immune system consists of various organs, cells, and molecules that work together to detect and destroy pathogens. The immune system can be divided into two broad categories: innate immunity and acquired immunity. Innate immunity is the body's first line of defense and is present from birth. It includes physical barriers like the skin and mucous membranes, which prevent pathogens from entering the body. It also includes non-specific immune responses such as the inflammatory response, where blood flow increases to the site of infection, bringing immune cells to attack pathogens. Another component of innate immunity is phagocytosis, where white blood cells called phagocytes engulf and digest foreign particles, such as bacteria. Acquired immunity, on the other hand, develops throughout life as the body encounters various pathogens. This type of immunity is more specific than innate immunity and involves the activation of specialized cells like T cells and B cells. B cells are responsible for producing antibodies, which are proteins that specifically target and neutralize pathogens. T cells, meanwhile, help recognize and destroy infected cells in the body. Once the immune system has been exposed to a pathogen, it remembers it. So if the pathogen is encountered again, the immune system can respond more quickly and effectively. This is the principle behind vaccination, which exposes the immune system to a harmless part of a pathogen to stimulate an immune response without causing illness. The study of human health and disease is crucial for improving medical care, disease prevention, and health promotion. Through understanding how pathogens invade the body, how the immune system defends against them, and how diseases affect human health, we can develop better treatments and prevention strategies. The importance of maintaining good hygiene, getting vaccinated, and leading a healthy lifestyle cannot be overstated in the prevention of diseases. In conclusion, human health and disease involve a complex interplay between pathogens, the immune system, and various diseases. Pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa can cause a range of infections and illnesses. The immune system provides the body's defense, helping to protect against these invaders through innate and acquired immunity. However, despite these defenses, diseases continue to pose a significant threat to human health. By understanding how diseases spread and how the immune system responds, we can better protect ourselves and others from illness. As students preparing for exams like NEET and JEE, it is essential to grasp the mechanisms of pathogens, immunity, and diseases, as these concepts are central to biology and critical for your success in the exam. Thank you. We hope this video has helped you gain a clearer understanding of hydrogen and its compounds, especially the fascinating role of heavy water and isotopes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Ask Prep for more in-depth chemistry lessons. Keep studying, stay curious, and good luck with your exams.